Boom, 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 boom. Mm-hmm. Hello, hello. Do, 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 do. What up, chat? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Do, 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 do. What up, what up, what up? Let's get zoom on. Do, 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 do. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Morning, morning. Do, 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 do. Right, let's do a post 1 second. Wait for this 30 minutes to close bullish, by the way. Oof, 6 minutes, finding it hard. Anyway, welcome guys to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Let me just do this. Gonna put this on here. Welcome to another beautiful day. Let's do this here. Nice. I think all ready to go. Let's do this. So yesterday, oh my god, yesterday it was annoying as hell. I'll show you yesterday. Bruh, I got so many messages about yesterday. People were not happy for the not the London session, NY session, bruh. Right, welcome, welcome everyone. 1 second, all good, all good. Eight playbacks, easy stuff, boys. Right, okay, let's do this. 1 like in the stream already. Wow. Okay, so welcome, guys. So what I'm going to be looking at is GJ buys. I feel. So let's just start doing our analysis as usual. First thing we need to do though is we need to do Forex Factory to check if there's any news that we have to look out for. GBP news 9:30, so that's alright. We've got a lot of time before then. That's grand. Right, okie dokie. So, morning. First thing I'll do is talk about yesterday. Oh my god, yesterday, holy shit. Where was it? Look how crap this was. This area here for NY was rough. The amount of times we tried to break out of this zone. Because we had this zone here, and then we broke out on this candle there, and then tried to push above, which was grand. And bro, this little zone it made here was rough. Oh, but it's all good. Morning, everyone. So, as I said, looks like we were breaking above again. Fortunately, at the moment though, this 15-minute is going to be closing back in the range, which is not good, and that'll mean the 30-minute is not closing above. So this 30-minute really needs to close above here. Right, okay, so I'll do the 4 hour thing. So 4 hour, let's have a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour flips at this point, and it is bullish. The last one was bullish also. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. The daily, let's have a look at the daily. Daily's very, very bullish as well. It's been bullish for a while. To be fair, this is only 20 pips to be honest. Let's have a look at price before. Yeah, so actually this is interesting. So if you look, 1 second, move that. If you look to the left here, we could have some hard kind of movements just because of this here. This is a resistance. So we need to see how price reacts here. But we've got a little zone there to get maybe 10 pips in, so that's alright, it's alright. So all time frames are bullish, so there'll be no sells at the moment. Alright, okay. So we go into the lower time frames. Hourly. The hourly does not look nice. I don't like these candles here. I need strong candles forming. And at the moment we don't have that, which is a bit of a shame. This 30-minute needs to close above. But if you look at our zones here, I've got a zone back down to here. It's just very, very choppy. So this is kind of no range territory, no trade territory in this zone. And if we're looking up here, let's just delete this one because I think that's from the day before. Let's look left. If we do start exceeding these highs and start pushing hard, it looks like we're going to be looking to get into some buys. And this looks alright for some TPs there. And further on, we've got one up here as well. We've got these wicks here, and then we can further on here, so for bigger TPs there. So we've got a lot of movement that can come, but I am wary of that 1 hour and 4 hour. So let's go into the smaller time frames here. Looking down, we can see that at the moment this 30-minute has had 30 minutes. Had 30 minutes to close above, and is it going to do it? Well, we'll see. We'll see. This 15-minute closed above, but look at this. It's a bearish candle, kind of suggests resistance. This candle I'm only quite interested in if it closes above the zone. I also know that it's the 8 o'clock soon, which volume comes in, which is fine. Oh, this is alright. This is alright. The hourly's a bit rough, but let's look at this 30-minute. Okay, this is good. So if this 30-minute closes like this is not bad now. 1 second. Let's have a look at the weekly as well. Actually, there's a weekly on the descent. Oh, on the, sorry, not on the descent. Yeah. So I am very, very cautious of this level here, though. I'm not gonna lie. So I need to be really careful here. So this 30-minute is gonna close. It's going to close above resistance. That's good. I'm cautious that this hourly I might have to wait for this hourly to close, to be honest, to give me more confidence. So because price has been ranging before, and we've got a lot of traffic and higher time frames. If you look on the 4 hour, I may want to wait for this hourly to close, because I have a feeling, and especially if this 15-minute closes like that, I don't like that. So this is a doji candle. People who are new, this is a doji candle. Suggests that price is struggling to push up because the body of the candle is very, very small. So I'm not entering at all. But that 30 minutes closing, so maybe in, maybe 8 o'clock push, this could be nice. But I think it'll have some time to push down quite far, which is fine. So let's have a look at gold. But morning everyone. 9 people in the chat, nice. Anyone take any trades yesterday? Wow, so those sells yesterday pushed down all the way to the bottom. You can see here. So if you actually held this, oof, that would have been nice. Look further on. Let's have a look at gold now. We've retraced all the way back up. Fucking hell. And now we're ranging. So you can see we're in a nice little range here. From here here. And let's look on the higher time frames here. Pretty bullish to me. Daily, solid bullish. Hasn't got much of a bottom wick though, which is interesting. Most gold candles have big bottom wicks. Morning, welcome. Has anyone got any charts for me to look at? I'll happily do them. So yeah, this 15-minute close a bit bearish show. I'll probably wait for the next one, to be honest. I think I'll wait for the next one. Because I really want this. I really want to know where this hourly is going to close. Because at the moment, these candles next to it don't give me much hope that we're going up. So I'll be waiting. So I'm theoretically wanting something like this. I want this candle to close like this. Strong, above the resistance. Then the next one to drive down a bit. And then exceed like that. That's what I'm looking for. But this only happens when this hourly candle closes. So that is fine. I will wait. But yeah, as I was saying yesterday, rough. I mean, New York was rough, man. I could feel it as well. I was like, fuck. We're trying to break up resistance. Where the hell was it? Yeah. It was like 810 we were looking around this region. Look how many times it tapped it. Bruh. Broke it once and then came all the way back. It's mad. Onion booty play. Oh, everyone's liking these terms now. Yeah, bro. Oh, shit. We're flipping. Oh, bro. I just don't trust that 15-minute, man. So if you had a stop loss below here, let me get recording as well. Because the hourly hasn't closed yet. I kind of want to wait for the hourly. And the 15-minute closed really shit. No. I want to wait a bit long. 26 minutes, I think. It's way too early for a candle like that to push straight away, so. But to be honest, at least we've got the 30-minute close above. But yeah, not yet. I think we need to wait further. It's got 11 minutes left for this next candle. If this next candle makes a nice low, it could be alright, could be right. But yeah, I want this 30 minutes to drive down a bit further. To be fair, it's already done that, to be honest. So if I got in here, my stop would be 10 pips. Yeah, that's not too bad. But I'd rather wait for the hourly, to be honest. Which in 25 minutes time. 25 minutes time. Morning. 9 viewers. Welcome. In the chat. Let's go. But yeah, so it looks like an interesting day. I think we can get some nice 10 pips with volume coming in at 8 o'clock. But you have to wait, be patient. Especially 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock means the hourly needs to make the bottom wick, so I don't think there's a lot of rush, to be honest. I think you can get in a lot of time frames. Wowza. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait here. Let's have a look, see what the 5 minutes are printing like. Not too bad. Nothing that I'm interested about though. So if anyone sent any trades yesterday or did any trades yesterday, feel free to send me them. That gold trade yesterday was fire, man. I would have entered that every single day. It was so nice. So if people were in here, basically price closed below resistance here, not resistance, support, and waited for the little top wick, and now that's a stop loss, which is literally a fucking 6 pip stop loss. And then zones was here to take profits. The next one was down here for this low. And furthermore, I came up even further down to here, which is mad. It's beautiful. So that was really good. Is there any other news on today? Oh shit. Yeah, so this is why gold's ranging. So if you look, there's a lot of US news coming. Really high volatile news. Gold will range until that news comes out. So don't trade gold today. Say if this closes above the resistance, would you consider buyers, or are we looking for a closure below and then go up? I'm really wanting this hourly to close. If this 15-minute closes bullish and a bit stronger, like here, then I could look for breaking the highs. Yeah. If this closes above the resistance, well, it looks like yeah. So if it closes, I would say above 152.945, that kind of area, then I think the buys are still valid for the time being. But if it closes back in this range here, I'm not in it, because this is a no trade zone. No trade zone. And this is a no trade zone because if you look left here, we've got a lot of traffic. Not nice. Not nice at all. Yeah, to be fair, even like this whole zone, to be honest, like here and here, like just all this crap. Oh shit, we're going. Can I take a celery play? I may look, to be honest, because the 30 minutes gonna flip. Nice. It's got 22 minutes left. The low of this candle would be nice, so 911, so that's fine. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that retracer, bro. Yeah, I'm waiting for a close, and I can't. I'm not doing any. To be fair, the 30-minute has closed, but it's this 50-minute that's putting me off, man. It's such a dead candle. It's such a dead candle, boy. Welcome, welcome. 4 likes, man. Lovely stuff. Welcome to the chat. I'm gonna do some more updates on the chat actually with like Nightbot and stuff like that, so make it quite fun. So this 50-minute candle has 6 minutes left. So if this starts running, that could be quite a good entry, because you know the candle has got 6 minutes left. It could have potential to start running, but we have to wait for this high to be broken. Right here. Let me just check if there's anything on the left I need to look out for. So looking left is always important. You need to see. Let's have a look what happened here before. Yeah, it came up with 10 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Where did this actually run though? So it struggled at this area here. So this is quite a resistance, I can see. Because I can see that price came up here before, hit resistance, came back down. Same here, price came up, hit resistance, came back down. So that's actually put me off quite a lot, to be honest, because the time frames, this little area here is pretty small. Let me just see how long that is. To be fair, stocks will be a break even anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Wow, look how long these wicks are. Fucking hell, did they just do that then? I'm needing some solid clothes now. But I am liking how this 30 minutes closed above. That's the only thing I can say. But this 30-minute needs to, this 15-minute needs to start giving me some confidence. And it's dipping into this zone quite a lot, which is fine as long as it doesn't close back in it. I don't really care. But look at that, man. It's just very, very choppy. I like smooth candles. These candles are looking like horrendous box plots. Way too rangy. Nice one. How do you set up your daily bias in GJ? I generally look for the previous daily candle and the overall trend of the overall trend. I'm checking. I lost that fucking hell. Oh, the overall trend to turn my bias. Do you set it like that? Yeah. So, as I said before, I look at the daily. So look here. I look at where we're at now. So we're bullish, pretty bullish. So sells are not really asked about at all. We look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. That's why I mark my charts off. This 4 hour kind of setup here is quite nice. And yeah, I look at kind of the weekly. I just look at it in general, but mainly the 4 hour and the daily kind of sets me. Oh yes, I kind of want them to match. So this line here is the 4-hour line. So actually, I should write this 1 second. I'll write it here. 4-hour. Oh shit, 4-hour flip. So this is when, at this point, how can I make this a bit nicer? Oh shit, we're running 1 second, 1 second. Oh, it's gonna exceed it. 3 minutes time. If you get a closure like this, this could be better. Where did I put that? But yeah, basically that's the 4-hour flip, and this is the daily flip. So I know that if this candle flips here, a higher time frame is changing, you know, changing big higher time frame bias, which is going to be pretty bad for me. And then here's the daily as well. So here, 30 minutes flipped. We've already exceeded the high. Oof. This is why you wait for candles to close, man. That 5 minute looks pretty good, to be honest. And then here I'd have my stops to break even pretty quickly. Mainly the fact that we're breaking zones, but it's really holding this at the moment, so I'm waiting. So yeah, bias is always 4-hour and daily kind of. If they both are matching, that's great. Right, this 15 minute needs to close nicely. So 153 is a big level, which is good. Close above that would be nice. But like these candles here are very scary. I want clean candles, man. And sometimes it takes a couple of these shit ones to make the nice ones. Like this can, if it closes like that, that's fine. Next one will be the 15 minute before the open. Drag all the way back down, and then come for the push. As you can see here, we're rejecting. So this is why you need to be very cautious and stuff like this. You know, impulses are only working when maybe opens of certain not candles, sorry, opens of different stock exchanges are coming out, but mainly just wait for candles to close, man. And this 30 minutes is going to give me a lot of knowledge if we're going to go up or not later on. Lovely. 19 viewers, man. Cheese, 7 likes, bro. Welcome. If anyone has any questions about anything, even like trading psychology wise or anything, feel free to ask me them. I'm always happy to answer questions. I love it. Right, okay, this is going to be a good close now. Come on. Actually record this? Oh yeah. Nice. Still haven't had a losing trade yet in London. We'll see if we can get one today. No losing trade, gang. To be honest though, I actually want to do a losing trade because I still haven't given you guys how I manage risk and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. Oh, bro, nah, it's not for me. Not for me. It's closing above, but look at that. No, this is choppy. I need to wait for the 8 o'clock candle. Much better. 20 people, man. That's so fucking fire. Holy shit. Thanks for the support, everyone. We're doing it. So the reason why I'm not looking at gold today, guys, is because it's very likely probably going to range in this zone here because there is some news later on. So I'll wait for the news. So I won't be looking at gold today at all. Hell no. Oh shit, I forgot to put an Instagram. We are live once again on the chat. 20 viewers, man. Come join the fun. We've got a nice chat going. We're looking at GJ buys, but we need to take our time. waiting for candles to close, all that good stuff. So yeah, guys. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, look, so now in 30 minutes time we're going to get more of a knowledge of, is this hourly candle going to close above resistance? Is it, or is it not? If you get a close above at any pair at this time, do you prefer to wait because you're very near to London Open? Yeah, that's facts. That's actually a really, really good point. Yeah, so so like now I wouldn't even enter a trade now, because normally what happens with London is, you know, price will bring in a lot of volume. The next one will open. It might leg down a bit like here, and then start flipping, and that's what I'm looking for. And then the flip is what I'll do. But apart from that, yeah, I don't get into trades before London. Hell no. Unless it's like 7:30. Sir, I am confused to draw about support and resistance lines. Please understand little. Okay. So support and resistance is basically when price is, you know, holding a certain price for a certain amount of time, and resistance is when it's kind of respecting. So you can see here, to be honest, I'll actually move this one. You can see here that a really key one. I'll try and draw it out. So you see this here, this here, this here, this here. So you can see this certain level here has been tapped how many times, and how many times has it rejected it? Quite a lot of times. So we just go back a second. Get off. Oh, fuck off, man. So if we tap on this zone here, okay, we can then draw a nice line like this, like this. And then also, every single resistance also acts as a support. So if you look here, I'll annotate it this time. So you can see that this is resistance, this is resistance, this is resistance. This here is support now. But can you see that's the same line? So basically what you do is you start making lines on certain levels where, you know, prices be either not being able to pass it or close above it. And then other lines where the same line where price is holding it and it is there. So it's very, very easy. And here obviously there is a resistance here. 1 second. There is a resistance here. The reason why I put it here is because here held it and here held it, and now we've broken above, so that's why I'm looking for buys. But I'm also cautious about these candles, and I'm also cautious that if you look on the hourly hasn't closed above yet. Can you see? So all adds up. Every single time frame is the same, right? Obviously the 50-minute closed above, which is great, and the 30-minute closed above, which is great, but hourly, which is such a big time frame, hasn't yet. And if this closes back in this range here, I'm not going to touch it, because you have to be really, 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 you know, disciplined with stuff like that. But if it closes above and away from candles, then it looks good. Looks good. 17 viewers. Chee! 10 likes already. Fuck, 10 likes, bro. Pretty sure last time I only got like 13. Wicked, man. 11 likes, bro. We're smashing it, gang. But yeah, so this is all the thing, you know. Always keeping other time frames in mind. Like, obviously, this candle closed above, but everyone's like, buy, 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 buy. But also, look, did the 30-minute close in that candle? No, it didn't. Okay, now it has, which is great. But what is the time now? We're coming towards an open of a currency exchange. We need to be careful because volume comes in, they can wick down and then fly. Okay, so what would you rather do? Be in now, being worried that it's going to wick you out, or wait until 8 o'clock when price pushes down and then we start running again? So yeah, I hope you got the support and resistance. It really doesn't matter. I mean, like here, same thing. Support is here. Doesn't have to be accurate. It really doesn't have to be that accurate. So I'd say like here, support was here because price came down here, reversed. Price came down here, reversed. Easy. Okay. It's really not hard. And this also, look, this also lines up with this. This is also a resistance here, support here. So this is a key level. That's what you do. That's all you gotta do. Morning Max, how would you go about executing if 1 hour closes above and enter at the break of the high? Looking at how candles are forming, would you not consider that as buying at the very high? Well, I think everyone says that, but you would never say that down. You never say that down here, would you? If you were here, you'd be like, well, you're buying a high, aren't you? And look what happened, price run. So overall, we're not high as in like high in general. Look at it. We still have a lot of room to play with to get back up to these zones here, and then even further on here. So in the markets, we're not high in the time frames. If you do that, you'll never get in any trades. Trust me. So what I'll be looking for is I'll be wanting this hourly to close nice. Okay, solid close, probably around here. This next one, if this next one runs straight away, starts flying, I don't care, right? That's not how I trade. I wait for the bottom wick. Okay, so it'll look something like this. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But this is what I know will be profitable. So this candle, I want to close like here. I don't really care, just as long as it's above these kind of wicks. Nice, like this. Next one opens. I want it to push down, probably about down to this zone that we had here. Then when it starts flipping and exceeding, so right here I'd enter, and then this will be the candle, the trade candle. And what I'd do there is this. So I'd probably get in maybe on the flip, but probably a bit higher up, like here. My stop loss would be at the bottom of the wick it's just made, and TP will be, you know, next zones and stuff. That's all you gotta do. Let's get that off now. Oh shit. Oh shit, piss off. Clear. Nice. But yeah, it's all really, really important to wait for this hourly close. We'll see if volume can push price. Yeah, exactly. But Imran, this is what I'm saying, right? All the variables I'm saying there when I'm waiting for the lower wick, that's gonna take the variable off if it's too high in the market and it's a fake out, because I'm waiting for the candle to flip and then push, and then it should be fine. Whereas, you know, if I entered straight away, then yeah, you know, we don't know if it's gonna push back in the range. So, right, it's all right. Still respecting this kind of area here, which is good. Not too bad. Price is gonna start moving now. Good stuff. But I need this hourly to close. 6 minutes time. 6 minutes time. There's no point getting in now. If this runs, that's fine. But that's not how I work. 12 likes to the stream, man. Fucking great stuff. Yes, sir. So yeah, like if it's hourly close up of all this crap, amazing stuff. But a lot can happen in 6 minutes. I'm telling you, I've seen price move a lot of pips in 6 minutes time. And if this runs off, that's fine. But that's not how I trade. You have to have that discipline, man. You can't get in early like this. How many times someone, if they like wanted to get in early, would have been in here? They would have been on this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and they would have got wicked out every time. So just wait for the 8 o'clock, please. This 4 hours got 2 hours left. Nice. Traffic's all right to the 4 hour. Got some traffic here, but look at the wicks; they're quite big. And by then, I must stop to break even anyway, so I don't really care. Actually, wait for this push, boy. Wow, 22 viewers, man. Jeez. So yeah, very cautious for this. Nice. Just need that hourly close. Yeah, and all time frames are still bullish. So with the trend, but yeah, this 50-minute, 30-minute hourly need to be okay. But you can see, yeah, as I said before, you know, getting in early, you know, it can be fun, but bro, it's stressful. Just wait. Just wait. 4 minutes 30. Get on that batch. Come on. Let's go in the chat. Let's go. So who took any trades yesterday? Let's see what trades you were taking yesterday. Did anyone get caught in this bullshit like I did? I'll show you. In this fucking god awful crap. Waited for a break here. Literally pushed like twice. in this zones here, and yeah, it's a bit annoying. That's like 10 pips, not too bad. So first loss for the week was yesterday. Man, this is such a sick, man. I'm enjoying these streams so much. It's nice, man. Waiting for the closure is key. Yes, sir. It sure is, man. Let's have a look at this 4 hour. Yeah, okay. So key, man. Like, there's no point just rushing it. So yeah, even buy stops above this kind of candle here, which wouldn't be too bad. But I'm waiting for that low wick to be formed first, because I know London session normally does a little bit of a wick. At least a wick back down to like here, I'd say. It's like people might enter here now, ready for the push. Gold can close above. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Gold can close above. So if gold's pushing here, right, where's it going to end up? Oh, it's right at resistance there. Oof. Can you see that? The reason why that's no me gusta is because of this. Exactly the same as this. So a candle's closing above that zone would be alright, yeah. But it's also news as well, so I don't know how much it's gonna run. But that could be a play. That could be a play where you wait for this 15-minute close here. Then the low will be created. To be honest, I might keep an eye on that. I'm not gonna lie. Where's gold? Fucking. So it looks like the zone it's going into is nice. Fuck's sake, this is gonna be another like rushed gold play because it's just too nice. Wow, man, that's a nice clean zone, bro. Fuck. Okay, so yeah, if people are wanting to look at this, this is quite a good idea. Wait for this 15-minute to close like this. Wait for its low wick. If it doesn't have the low wick and it runs off straight away, that's fine. But wait for the low wick to form, maybe here. Then when we start pushing off, that's grand, and you get like a 10 pip stop for a fucking 50 pip gain. So, and that's literally the next resistance, I'm pretty sure. But I want it to kind of close above this region here. Because you can see there's a little nipple here, but it's all right anyway, because what would happen was, price doesn't kind of close above this region. That's all right. Just wait for the 15-minute, and then if it does push off, then you'll be grand. But yeah, 25, man. That's the biggest number I've had. We are not in this trade because the 50-minute didn't close about right. Yeah, man. It's just choppy. And I'm waiting for this hourly to close here. This one, I'm not in this because it hasn't closed above yet, which it will in 30 seconds time. So, no, that's a good indication we're going up, but I need to wait for this lower wick to form, which is going to be about here, and then that'll be my stop loss. Because instead now, you could get in here in 20 seconds time, but your stop loss is going to be here. Whereas if I just wait for this bottom wick and then exceed the highs, I'm going to have a stop loss like here. Let's see this. Right. So if this runs off straight away, that's good. That's fine. But for me, nope. So GJ. Oh, there we go. It's flying, boy. Didn't make a bottom wick for me, so that's fine. Didn't make a bottom wick yet. But the hourly closed, nice. The hourly closed nicely. 66, good shit. But yeah, we haven't made it such a bottom wick yet, really. A little tiny one, but and look at the last 15-minute. Nah, I'm not touching GJ there. I need more clear candles. The 30-minute looks alright, but bro, that 15-minute, how many times did it wick down here? No. No. Okay, so let's have a look at gold. So gold is pushing down now. I'm happy for that. That's good. That's what I want. I want a lower wick to be formed about here. Or further down, to be honest. I'm not too asked, but let's have a look at the hourly. Yes, okay, this is good. Oh, bro, this zone here, nice. I want this 30-minute to push down a bit further, like here, just so I have a nicer entry. 17. So if I got in here, yeah, it wouldn't be too bad. So I'd say I'm just gonna get an order in because I don't have magic keys and fucking gold for some reason. It's not working. 1769. Nice. Yeah, so I'm wanting a bit of a lower wick than this. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Deeper. Come on. 23 in the chat, boys. Oof. There we go. Nice. Okay, let's have a look at GJ. Oh my God, GJ. To be fair, yeah, it's not too bad, but for me, nah. Buys above that zone was alright, but oh my God. I'm looking at gold now, motherfucker. So if you do now, yeah. I'm waiting a bit more. Yeah, that 50. Oh my God. GJ going off the screen, boy. Ah, oh, bro. I was so ready for that, but fuck. No, not for me. 15-minute close like this. Shit. Nope. 30-minute went well, though. So, exceeding the highs you could have done. Stop loss below the actual one here. 1 second. No, I didn't enter. I didn't enter on GJ. Gold got my attention instead. But that's a nice trade, though. Big volume there. Above the ranges here, you could have done an impulse, but for me, I wanted the lower wick, and I didn't get the lower wick, so it's fine. But bias, this is the exact thing though. The bias is in our favour. We knew exactly what was going to happen. You know, buys are going to come in place, but it was just your comfort level on the lower wick, and mine wasn't there yet, so that's fine. I wanted more of this. I wanted more of this. Let's have a look on the 30 actually. Can I go on the 30? Yeah, like look, I mean, if you look here, I wanted this to be more of a low wick because the previous ones here are quite low, and I wanted it to tap this resistance at least here, then rock it off, and it just didn't do that. It's a very, very short nipple, and then just raced. I mean, yeah, exceeding the highs, that's fair enough, but for me, nope. So this is good, right? So if this candle starts to flip now, I think I'm probably going to enter, or be a bit higher here, 1891. Yeah, it's like a 10 pip for a 50 pip gain. I'm fucking doing that every day. Yeah. Let's get rid of this. It's chunky. That's what I'm liking. So it's touching this resistance. And this was a resistance. Is it going to act as a support now? I want it to touch here and start running back up. If we do exceed this here, so probably here, I'll probably enter. I could even do a buy stop really. So there, and then my stop loss would be about here. So yeah, it's like a 10 pip stop loss. Previous 15 highs, there is no. Yeah. So yeah, so I said that you could have entered on the break of the high. That's fine, but for me, the low wick was too risky for me. But yeah, so next time, if you know volume coming in and you're happy to do that, and you've seen it happen loads of times, if you exceed that high, bro. To be fair, if I was a bit more conscious, I was more looking at gold. But if I was on there, I may have taken it with a tight stop loss. So I would have, if I was doing an impulse here though, my stops would have been here. So 5 pip stop. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna get ready to enter here. So I got a nice stop loss, and I know the zone that we're coming into is pretty fucking big, which is good. 8 minutes left. But I'll take that any day. 10 pips, nice stuff. Like, I'll definitely take that any day. So 1890 thick, nice. Come on, gold. Because it's only a 10 pip, it's really good risk to reward. Right, nearly about to enter. Just waiting a bit more. Right, I'm in. Let's go. Let's see if it's going to be the first losing trade or first winning trade. Let's have a of the day. First losing trade of the week, sorry. So we've exceeded the highs now. I expect price to push. Lovely stuff. Oh, we're running. Come on, gold. Give me that motherfucking pips, bro. Give me that motherfucking pips. Come on. Lovely stuff. We're coming up, boys. Oh, boys. Right. I'm getting ready to close some partials soon. Okay, so now, 1 second. Stop losses at break even. Nearly. I'm gonna get a bit more time, to be honest. Come on, boy. I'm liking that risk to reward, man. Good, we're pushing off. Yeah, we should be good here. Risk managing. I can't really risk manage it. It's only 10 pips, so that's good. For the reward I'm gonna get, that's gonna be grand. Wow, you got in early, bro. Jeez. Let me just look left. Yeah, bro. Clean candles, man. I'm keeping this all day, every day. So, you know, if price doesn't respect this low here, then I know that, you know, it just wasn't that day. But obviously, every single trade that you do, there's always a percentage of it losing. That's fine. It's grand. But, you know, as long as your risk to reward is there, and, you know, you come with volume and price and stuff like that, you should be grand. There's some clean traffic, man. That's what I was saying. I'm going to take that every single day, man. Take that every single day. And if this doesn't work, and you know we take the loss, you need to take it with no emotions, okay? No emotions. That doesn't make you a good trader. A good trader is when emotions is not there. Emotions not there if you're winning. Emotions not there if you're losing. So it looks like we're coming back to my entry now, which is a bit of a shame. Got 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left of this candle. Can move still quite a lot. Anyway, let's have a look at. Wow, look at that. Lovely. So, you know, keep that in your notes and stuff like that. Keep that in your notes. You know, is this going to happen again? All that good stuff. Wait until the candle exceeds the highs and all that good stuff. So, yeah. So, price is coming back in my zone now. If this 15-minute closes above, below. Oof, look at that. I'm going to close half. 1 second. If it goes any further, 1 second. Look at that 5 minute pushing down, bro. Clean traffic, boy. That's alright. I'm not going to close anything yet. I'm going to hold the whole thing. It's only 10 pips, so it's good. I mean, I've got half risk for gold. Because you should be doing half risk. Oh, yes. So it's only like 5 pips for me. I'm happy taking this every day. So in 4 minutes time, though, if price does close bearish, then I'll take off. But at the moment, we're good. Got the 5 minute. Yeah, as long as it doesn't exceed the previous 5 minute, we're good. Is this gonna be the first L of the stream? You have to take it like a man, boy. But I just see them clean candles, bro. If we get some momentum, bro, like this shit's gonna pop, boy. I am a bit cautious of this actually, to be honest, but it's worth it with the momentum. It's worth it. It's worth it. What's the stop loss at? 1769. Yep, lovely stuff. Yeah, so we got to, yeah, I got to about 5 pips profit. It's not too bad. It should push more. What is this? Decent wick. Yeah, me too. Low wick sometimes a no. Watch gold, Miss GJ. In it. Who said on the chat look at gold, bro? I'm fucking pissed. Bro, I mean, in there, man. If I saw that 5 minutes start pushing, bruh. To be fair, we're still good. But yeah, so 2 minutes time, and this needs to start. Come on now, GJ. Not GJ. Gold. Come on, gold. Come on. It should push more. Give him the boot. Get fucking boot gold. Fucking start launching, bro. Give me the boot. But this is an easy close above range. Clean candles to the left, bro. I'm gonna be in this every single day. And you know, if it's an 80% win rate, 70% win rate, you know, there is a chance 30%, 20% you're gonna lose. You have to take that on the chin. You can't fuck about with that. As long as your stop loss is bigger than, you know, your gains, you should be grand though. So flipping again. I actually got in here. 922. Nice. Here. Undo. Hourly 30-minute all bullish. Like, yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this trade, man. 100%. There's not one thing I don't think that's good. You know, sometimes it doesn't work out. We'll see. We're still in it though. Oh, 24. That's fucking 50 pips away, bro. 50 pips, boy. No. Struggling at that area though, which is what I'm looking at, bro. Needs to get past this little area it's tripping on. Come on, boy. You need a blast. You need a blast, bro. So this next one, this 50-minute candle is going to close in 50 seconds, okay? That's fine. It's going to make its low wick. I just hope the low wick's not going to be below that one. That's all I got to do at the moment. 30 minutes fine, 50 minutes fine. You have to believe in your analysis, and if it doesn't happen on the day, you know, make sure it happens, you know, 80 times out of 100. And then you'll be good. The only reason why I might not like this trade is because of the news that's coming later on in the day for USD. It could just calm down, but I saw it and bro, I had my eyes on GJ, motherfucker. The second. So seeming to struggle at 18-19. So new 50-minute candles opening. It's made a low wick, which is good. Oh, bro, come on. Come on, gold. Come on. The fuck at me. Come on, gold. Fucking, I want to hit 18-20. Come on. There we go, boys. There we go. Fucking dub. Keep on running. I don't want you stopping there, bro. I don't want you stopping there. Hell no. How many on 6 pip profit? I want 20. I want 30. Oh shit. $1,000 account. How much lots open? Yeah. So $1,000 you should use a 0.10 lot, or a 0.15, or a 0.2. Bro, come on, man. Fucking get up. Yes, get up, bro. Fucking launch. Alright. So I think now, if price comes to my entry, I think I'm gonna close, because I think it's given it its time to push. To give it a little bit more time, but for the most part, I'm gonna close if it goes back. So it exceeded the high though, which is really, really good. Oh, come on. Yes, I see it on my MetaTrader, bro. Come on. A little bit more, and then I've got fucking... There we go. There we go. Nice. Yeah, so stop loss at break even now. I'm not fucking about anymore. 931. And yeah, boy. Oh, bro! Push off, push off, push off. Come on. Get off that top, bro. There we go. There we go. Nice, boys. Nearly on 10 pips. Fucking hell, it took ages. Holy shit. So yeah, stop loss at break even now, so I couldn't care less. Price retraces now. It's good. Not bad. I don't care. Stop loss at break even. But we really now shouldn't flip this candle. Which is grand for me. And yeah. So yeah, I'd have your stop loss at break even, guys. By the way, if it doesn't push off now, it's not going to push off. Hits my break even. Hits my break even. That's alright. It's alright, guys. Good in the chat. It's alright. So it's struggling really to break this zone. Struggling to break it. It's all good. It's all good. Ah, motherfucker. Now I'm looking at GJ, my bruh. Ah, you little shit. Ah, bro. Who in this chat said that gold can close above? Fucking JJ, motherfucker. I'm joking. Oh, bro, I'd have been in that. You know what I mean? It didn't make a bottle work, bro. If it exceeded the highs. Oh, bro. That's all good. It's all good, though. Yes, if you're in that gold trade, please take it out, my boy. Yeah, so we tried to give gold a boot, and he wasn't having it. He wasn't having it. GJ, on the other hand, got a fucking boot in. Holy crap. He got oofed. GJ got fucking flied, bro. So if you look at gold now on the lower time frames, even here and here, you can see it's struggling. So for gold, you know, the stop loss is very, very key. You need to be able to be in and out. If it doesn't push straight away, that's fine. You know, Ted and like great traders for gold, they're at break even all the time. I would happily take that. But if this motherfucker runs now, I swear to God. At 7:30, yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look. 7:30, bro. No. Right, so there was a close above, which is what I said. But the issue was, if you look on the 15-minute after, look at this shit. Came all the way down, came all the way up. It was ranging like a motherfucker. And one London candle to push down, and you'd have been goosed. So what I wanted this candle to do was push down more. But whilst this was doing this, I was watching gold. So that's just what it's going to be. But next time I'll focus on gold, GJ next time. So wow. So how far did that run? Fucking 27 pips, motherfucker. We got the GJ, man. Anyone catch this trade? Anyone catch this? Anyone look for the little nipple and then exceeding the highs? Let's see what it looked like on the 5-minute. Yes, it came down, exceeded the highs. I did say here. I did say buy stop, and I did have it on there, bro. But I was too busy looking at gold. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, it looked like gold was gonna go there actually. 21 pip GJ. Cheese. We got some GJs. Some people listened. Some people listened. That fucking blue line there, bro. Look, CAD GPY. Send me a chart of CAD GPY and I'll do it. But I'm not looking at CAD GPY. But send me a chart. Send me a chart and I'll look at it. Got GJ 0.6. Jeez. Lovely stuff, man. I'm liking that. So for GJ, I find gold way more reliable during NY. Yeah, definitely. Well, that's facts, I suppose. The you know, if the US isn't open, it's gonna have less volume and stuff like that. So now you're looking at GJ here. Okay, if you're in some trades, you're in some runners, and you haven't taken any profits yet, I'd be advised to take some, because if you look here, you look here, you look here. Where are we coming, right? Where are we coming to? We are coming to certain zones, certain zones, certain zones where price may reject. Okay, so this should have been your target. You could have probably a runner up here, but a very small runner. I would have taken most of the positions off here, because price has tapped this zone quite a lot of times and rejected. So just be careful for runners and stuff like that. And runners, I mean, you could probably just trail it here or whatever, but for the most part, you should have taken profits there, 100%. 100%, no cap, no cap. And yeah, break even trade today. So what have we done today? Well, we broke down GJ. The reason why I didn't go to GJ is the bottom wick, which is fine. So we talked about GJ buys, and they ran fucking 25-30 pips. So trades talked about, and then trades taken. We have a gold buy, and that hit a break even. And the reason why I didn't take any profits at the time is because it literally hit like about 8-7 pips. Not enough. Not enough. I'm not gonna be doing that, boys. Did someone just send a chart or not? Did I see that or not? Bro, 23 people, man. This is fire. Now 18, not too bad, not too bad. 16 likes in the stream. Let's get it, let's get it. But look at that now. Oh, beautiful. So now what you need to do now, and this is what you need to do, right? If you trade NY, what you need to do is you need to wait for this to happen. So this can do whatever they want. Don't enter now. Don't do that. You missed the move. You missed the move. You missed the move. Okay. You don't be fucking about with stuff like that. Now you wait until a resistance is formed at a certain level. Then you wait for price to start coming down, like here, like here, and then maybe here. 1 second. Starts sitting on this line maybe. This is just an example. And then look, what do we do for later for NY? We start seeing bullish candles forming. And then you take it all the way back to the top. And your entry would be like here. The stop loss either here or here. And then you expect price to move further and further. So yeah, that's what you gotta do. But that, see, so in 15 seconds, I've literally pictured out what I want to see in the New York. And also another thing, if you miss that move, that's fine. You can literally wait for the resistance again, and then you can do the same thing where you do it here. You wait for the break above and then buy. Easy. Oh wow. Oh, I'd have been so fucking buzzed with that, because I would have held that whole thing. Not gonna lie, because that shit ran. But 8 o'clock candles is what they are. Nice volume coming in. So that's what it is. It's what it's about. Wow, wow, we've got 18 likes, bro. So let's have a look at gold again. Still struggling. Still struggling. Oh, it looks like it's coming up again. Let's delete this buy stop now. We see consolidation again. Not good, not good. Wow, bro, GJ fly. GJ. So let's have a look at the higher time frames. The best morning streams, fire. Let's go, let's go. Try and make it fun for you guys. Let's go. 80 likes, bro. Jeez. But yeah, you can see here on the side here, lots of resistance. Be careful, be careful. So what we're gonna look for further on? Yeah, wait for the support to form and then take it back up again. And yeah. GJ question mark. What do you mean GJ question mark? Tell me. I mean gold. Well, gold, we took a trade, a buy, and unfortunately we got stopped at break even. But now it looks like it's gonna run, and I swear to God, if this runs, I'll be so pissed off. Oh, bro, don't even do it to me. I got in like here, and my stop loss was like here. But yeah, it came back down in this candle here, and stopped me at break even. But to be honest, as I said it before, I mean, there's really clean candles. The only thing is that news is coming. So if people are not used to this news, if you go on Forex Factory, we've got some high impact in news at 130. Now, normally this happens, when this happens, gold will start to range. Obviously at the moment it doesn't look like it, but backtesting and, you know, just being here for a long time, you realize that gold normally ranges quite a bit before the news comes out. Wow, 25 views is the biggest I've ever had, man. Jeez, 25 viewers, let's go. Nice, 25 viewers, and it's only my fourth day doing this, third day. So yeah, now there'll be no trades for GJ at all until you wait for support, okay? And this could take hours, so you just come back for when volume comes in again, and you should be good. Oh, that blue line's pissing me off. Let me delete it because I literally said buy at this fucking line. I'm gonna clip this actually and put it on Instagram. Like, if it exceeds this line, buy, and I fucking missed it. My own buy stuff, bro. My own buy stuff, boy. It's all good though. It's all good. So guys, if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe. Oh shit, what the fuck am I doing? Yeah, feel free to subscribe in the channel. New subscribers, welcome, welcome. Adbo Hamaza Nafir, welcome, welcome. Yeah, boys, we're doing well. We're doing well. We've got, what's this now? Oh shit, why have I just put the music off? Oof, I'll do that back. But yeah, 1 second. Get it off. Yeah, so the channel's looking good now. It's starting to grow nicely. I think gold sells because it rejected. Gold sells? Really? When all time frames are pointing up? Daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 30-minute bullish, 50-minute bullish. There is no sells at the moment, bro. I'm telling ya. So you can see here now, GJ is going to start to be relaxing. 335 subscribers, man. Bear in mind I had 300 2 days ago. Jeez. 24 people watching. This is so good, man. 127 views in the last one. Lovely. See that pin bar bearish close on 50-minute before GJ flew. Considering that is still above the zone that we wanted, it won't be a problem, yeah? Well, yeah, of course, but I think for me, I just didn't want to see... sorry, I'm not on the chart. I wanted to see the more of a stronger candle, and these candles here. So the reason why I wasn't extremely happy with this is because these candles weren't strong. And when you see like not strong candles here, it's more riskier. But obviously, if you go on the 30-minute here, the 30-minute was a lot cleaner. Okay, which is fine. When you see the highs there, you could have had a buy stop, which is what I would have done, probably if I was looking at it. But the 50-minute was pissing me off. That was all. GG buys I took. Well done, well done. I'm gonna be jealous, Wayne. I'm gonna be jealous for these fucking buys. Whoa, look at that retracement though. This is what I'm saying. Really high resistance zones. Can you see here? So what is price gonna do? It's very like you're gonna relax. So you need to chill now. There is no buys for GJ now. They are done. They are done. Got another dash there. So you guys, if you haven't given the stream a like yet, please feel free to do. Helps out a lot. Lovely, guys. Yes, chart's coming, man. I like that. Right. Entered as the 8:30 candle flipped. You mean 8:30? Oh, you mean 8? Or 7:30? Do you mean? Entered as the 8th candle flipped bullish. Happened in the first 50-minute candle, sitting in and out of profit for 50 minutes. Yeah, so that was what I waited for to get that crap. And then 9 AM, which I think you think you have your 9 AM, which is my 8 AM. Started flying. So 8:30 candle pushed down, creating a bottom wick with a place to enter stop loss. Lovely. Take profit at 20 pips of runners running another 10 pips. Wow, amazing. So that is really good, but what could you do better? What could you do better for that? And what I would say was, I think you got in too early. I think so. Did you close on this one here and waited to flip? I mean, fair enough, but this is very, very close to the London Open, and London Open has volume. So what would you rather do, right? I've seen this happen quite a lot of times. So London Open, you can, it could blast off straight away, and you can get the moves you've been waiting for, right? Or if you're in it before, you've got a bit of a worse entry. You need to wait for the drawdown because it's very likely going to make a bottom wick. Obviously, today it didn't, but I'm telling you, most times it does. And then you could get slapped on the stop loss, and then I enter on the running. So maybe just wait a bit further about, and I think you'd be grand. But obviously, you got the trade and I didn't. But I'd say wait until the London Open and the volume comes and exceeds the high, and then you should be grand. Instead of keeping that drawdown like in and out of profit for 15 minutes, like that's annoying. It's bad on your psychology. Just wait until volume comes, basically. But yeah, cracking trade, lovely stuff. Next chart, man. Next chart. I love this, guys. Bring in your charts. I love that stuff. But yeah, all your zones nice and chill. Keep it clean. Love it. Another chart. Oh, access denied, bro. Did I do that right? I'll try it again. I'll try a different one. Here we go. There we go. Nice. So this is the hourly chart. Okay. Buy if our closed above these wicks. Yep, which it did. In 10 minutes, buys above there. Great. So you literally wait for the hourly. So you were trading the hourly. So would your stop loss be below the previous hour? I'm assuming. That's what it would be. But yeah, great. Good stuff. But when you're bringing the chart next time, try and do the stop loss, the take profit, all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, it looked very, very good. And buys above there worked well. Lovely. I don't know what's gold doing right now. Exactly. Well, this is what I said, This is why I took my break even very happily, because, bro, if it's not pushing straight off, I don't want to be in that shit, man. It could eventually work and it could fly, but I want to be in and out quickly, man. Especially with gold, I don't want to be fucking about. I want to be in and out, and that's what you do. Lovely stuff. 29 viewers, man. Fucking give this stream a like, man. This is sick. 29 viewers. Let's go. 29 viewers. Jeez. Hope you're enjoying it. So yeah, I know Raj is doing London soon. I'm like, oh, bro, all my viewers are going to be gone. But I'm going to try and make it funner, a bit more enjoyable. I think Raj's streams are a bit boring now. And he'll be doing the same trades. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'll try and make it a bit more fun. Let's get 30 likes, bro. 30 likes would be amazing, man. Yeah, run them likes up, boys. Jeez. So things we talked about today were gold, but not gold, GJ buys, right? We were looking for GJ buys. They finally came. Unfortunately, I was looking at gold because we said a break in the candle and gold. So we had, look at this. So we had a nice closure. This candle here was the closure. This one here, and then we entered on the flip. And unfortunately, it just didn't give momentum, and I hit my break even, which is good. I'll be staying at your stream, bro. My boy. I'm gonna make it fun. I'm gonna do spin the wheel. I'm gonna make it a bit of a twist. I want kind of like a nice environment. I don't want a boring fucking stream. I like having a bit of fun as well. Which I think Rajas at the moment loses a bit. I think it's a bit boring. So yeah, I want to try and do like spin the wheel kind of stuff. Like, yeah, just nice stuff. I kind of want to do that. Yeah, get them likes up, boys. Get them likes up. So we got a nice gold break-even trade today. And you can see now, if you look on the 5-minute, we are really struggling now to gain traction, to gain momentum. And this is generally because of the news. I'm telling you, it's struggling. If this was a normal day, this shit would have ran. But because it was news day, it takes its time. So you can see now, this is when boomers come in, not boomers, just people who can't really trade, and they'll be like, oh shit, there's a bearish candle, and now I'm going to take a sell when we flip here, and I'm going to make 17 pips. and then, oh, if we exceed the high, I'm gonna buy again, you're gonna fly. This is when you lose your money, okay? Bro, if you miss the move at the London Open, just leave it, please. Just leave it, because that's when the momentum was. If you can't exceed now, you know, it's very unlikely it's going to exceed in the next 50 minutes, 30 minutes. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. If you miss the trade at the start, that's fine, but you have to move on. Once you get that, and once you get, like, you know, I'm ready for this trade. If I miss it because, you know, it moved too quick or something, that's fine. You've got tomorrow. You've got every single day. The one thing is taking a bad trade, okay? Taking a bad trade, a one which isn't evened up. You saw before even GJ trades were even looked at, that we looked consistently, waited until the buys were there. I said exactly to the T what was going to happen, and it did happen. Don't be rushing into like random trade just when you see 150-minute bearish. There's no point. You need to be planned out, and that's what we did. We waited for price to break this zone, which was here, and a buy stop was going to be beautiful right here. And that happens with the 30-minute because it's exceeding the high. So yeah, it all matches up now. It's just I looked at gold for too long, motherfucker. And you can see here now. So people holding that, you have to remember that gold is in and out. Golden is in and out territory. You need your pips and you need to get out. And you can see now it's really struggling to gain traction here. To be fair, even though the last 30-minute closed bullish as well. But yeah, as long as price doesn't close below here, I think the buys are still valid. But for me, you know, you do one trade. If it doesn't work, or it's a break even, that's fine. If you guys have got any more other charts, feel free to send me them. Let me just move this OBS thing 1 second. Why is this one like? Why has this one got a fucking? Let me fucking 1 second. Why is that one? Oh, there we go. Okay. So, next question. Lovely. Mate, these questions are fucking good, man. Right. Where is it? I was seeing in your stream, bro. Also, why would anyone trade against the bias? Because people just think they can get an easy 17 pips. I used to do it. I used to trade, but not on the bias. It's just, but yeah. So if people are new, a bias is literally, you look at the 4 hour. Where's the 4 hour? It's pointing up, isn't it? Where's the daily? It's pointing up. I'm just trying to in basic terms here if people are new to trading. So just stay on the bulls. Stay on the bulls until this blue line and this yellow line flip, and then you can start looking at sells. But from then on, just stay with the trend. It's so much easier, trust me. So you see here, nice, pulling up again. So exactly, yeah, stay with the trend. What if gold closures above the zone is a fake? What if gold closure above the zone is a fake out? Well, exactly, and that was my thoughts. If it was wanted to move, then it would have moved, and it didn't. Hello. Wait, is this? Who's this? NS. Is that my brother? NS. Niall Simpson. I don't know. What are your thoughts on GU? What if woke up from my sleep, checked charts, and dropped in here? Jeez. What are your thoughts on GU? Right, I'll have a look at GU. So we'll do exact same analysis. Try and get into this, you know, habit of doing this analysis. It's pretty easy, pretty standard. 1 second. GU. He's woken up early, man. So here we go. Wow. So the first thing we do, guys, this is if you guys are new to trading and how I trade, this is what you do. I found you from Instagram. Oh jeez. So this is what you do, okay? So the first thing you do is you go on the 4 hour or the daily, and you bring these zones. This is just how I do it. It just makes it easier, and I feel it's clean. So I make a horizontal line on the flip of the candle. And because it's a 4 hour, I keep it blue. Just keep it blue. Is that blue? I'm colorblind as hell, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty blue. And then we go on the daily, and we do the exact same, but we'll do a yellow line on the flip. And this basically means, the reason why I do this is I don't need to look at the higher time frames anymore, because I know on the lower time frames where they are. Okay, so if this candle here exceeded the low here, then you know, a 4 hour is flipping bearish. Okay, so therefore, you know, buys might not be the best play at the moment. Oh my god, I'm just seeing gold as gold's starting to run now. Bruh. But yeah, so this is how you start off. We're supposed to wake up at 6:30 East for pre-New York. Lol, bad sleep. So here we've got, right, so this is the 1 hour chart. This is the 30 minutes. So you can kind of see the supports actually are on the dailies and the 4 hours. So you can see that there is a support here. Which is right here, which is exactly the same as the 4 hour. I'll do it like that. You can see that there was a resistance here which was broken up. So price here, this at 2:30 was a really good trade. You could have easily have got a trade here. I mean, if you do it Asian, but Asian's normally gash, to be honest, but I would have done that. So waited for this lower wick. When we see the high, there you go, and you would have been grand. Anyway, we're still going on further. We look at the 15-minute, and here we go. So you can see that a resistance was formed here. We've actually broken above it, and now it looks like we're tapping it. So it looks quite bullish at the moment. We're looking pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look left, because all you have to do is look left. Jeez, my guy. I have to give a like because I love people who bring value. Yes, sir. 23 likes on the chat. Jeez. So you can see prices coming up. You can see that at the moment, I can see there's resistance here. There's a kind of, you know, there's not nice stuff here. So you can see this is a worrying factor for higher time frame. Just here, you see we're in this range. But if price does start exceeding and coming, we're gonna end up back at these levels. So this would be the biggest TP. But for actual today, if I wanted to get in any trades for GU, let's have a look. Oh shit. Let's go along. So it looked like this was a big zone up here. You can see. Let's have a look at the 15 minutes. See if we could have got in. So look, very 8 o'clock, very spontaneous. So I wouldn't have been in any trades here because look at that. I mean, it just ran. It just ran. You know, 20 pips for no reason. There was no kind of closing aboves or belows. It was just constant. Look at that. Even the 30-minute close bearish. So I feel GU it kind of moves the same as in like how much pips and stuff, but it's just a bit more it's a bit more volatile in the fact that, you know, there's a big 30-minute closure and then just run straight off it. So same with the hourly close bearish. So yeah, I like GU. I think it's alright, but I'd rather stick to GJ because look at GJ's chart here. Like, look at that compared to what we just had before. A lot cleaner, a lot cleaner. Let's crank the legs. Let's crank the legs. 24 legs. Jeez. 104 playbacks. Love that stuff, man. But yeah, so it looks like GJ is still running nicely. So what you do now, guys, just giving you an example. So if you were in a trade here, right? You got in here, your stop losses below this region here. So yeah, you got a nice stop loss as well. You could have had it here as well, so about a 10 pip stop. Okay, now price comes up, you should have taken your profits like here, or etc. Now price has run up again. If you had a runner, I'd move, well, your stop loss should be break even from the start, like over here. But anyway, prices came down. Now I'd move my stop loss to like here, because it shouldn't come back to there now. And if you run off, you've got all the momentum, but you keep your profits as well. So that's how you could kind of trail a stop. And yeah, what's the next one? Why you trade in Euro USD? Is it why do you mean why I don't trade in US USD? Because I don't trade Euro USD. Oh shit. Fuck off. Right. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's just have a look. Let's see why I don't trade Euro USD. I haven't looked at it in donkey's years. First of all, USD it overlaps from in the NY session, which is just boring and shit like that. Wait, let's have a look in general. Yeah, so if you look at Euro USD, okay, so like look at this. So one thing that I don't like is you can see that there's just clear a lot of ranging. Can you just see in general? I mean, there's big drops here. That's fair enough. But you can see, you know, it's to be honest, it is quite a nice pattern. But I feel if you look at this is higher time frames here. If you go to the lowers, if you go to 30 minutes and shit, right? This is so like it's so dramatic. It's so spontaneous. Like it's just not nice. Like what the fuck is that? That's something that gold would do. But this is like hasn't even ran that far really. It's just very slow. Like if you look at the daily, let's see. Yeah, the daily's quite slow. Look how choppy it is, bro. I mean, the key is nice, but it's just not good. Just don't like it. And also on MetaTrader and stuff, these count for like 10 pips actually counts for 5 for some reason. I think that's just how it's done. So you get less pips and stuff. It's just not the best. And same with this one. Looked like how fucking pragmatic it was. Like it's just not good. No me gusta, no me gusta. How many pips from profit do you move stop loss break even? So it kind of depends, but mainly I'd say probably about 6 pips, 7 pips. Yeah, that's about. But if I want to give it more time and I feel really confident, then I'll happily leave it for 10. Really depends on the scenario here. Depends on the scenario. I'm loving these questions, by the way. Questions are getting much better. What the fuck? That. I don't give a fuck. Come on. There we go. Oh, pissed off. I'm doing this wrong. GJ on the hour time frame. Great. Okay. Yeah, so you got an hourly close. So on the hourly, this looked fucking sexy, I'm not gonna lie. And you had your stop loss below the hourly. So resistance price rejected multiple times. Trade management. When price moves 10 pips, move stop loss break even, risk free. Secure everything on 20 pips. Lovely. 30-minute resistance area looking to the left does matter sometimes, but most recent resistance matters when you're trading sessions. So I plotted it only for visuals. Yeah, that's great. That's amazing. So after multiple rejections, the candle closed above all. Yeah, that's great. Next, so looking left. Yeah, that's great. So yeah, you entered on the hourly. So hourly, that was really good. Makes sense. And you literally. So did you enter the trade on the closure of the hourly, right? Is that what you did? So you took a little bit of drawdown, which is fine. On the closure. You must have. And then stop loss. So how big was your stop loss? Fucking hell, your stop loss was only 10 pips. That's quite a good risk to reward. That nice. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Yeah, I set to break even at 10 pips for magic keys. Lovely. Yeah, exactly. Setting to break even makes it a risk-free trade. Beautiful. Now you can see we were good. And this is why stop loss or break even on gold. You're in and out. If it doesn't run, that's fine. Some days you'll get 10 pips, some days you'll get fucking 100 pips. But as long as you keep your, your break evens and your losses so small, bro, you're good for gold. As you can see, it's coming back in the range now, and this will sit in the range until the news comes out. I could put on money, so it'll do this. It'll range for ages. 27 viewers, man, bro, this is smash. Yesterday there was like 20 average, like on 20 like maximum. Now 27, 30, bro. That was a fake out, exactly. So if you look at the 30-minute now, 30 minutes exceeded the low. In 10 minutes time, if this closes back in the range, then yeah, it was a fake out. Where did the furthest it go? Yeah, 1956, we were in there. I was about a 6 pip profit, but for gold I want like 10, 15, 20. So that's what happens. Yes, you can see now it was starting to look like a bit of a barcode. This closes like this. It's just ranging at this point. How would you suggest beginning backtesting for GY? GJ, my GU strategy hasn't been great this month. Would you try to be a good starting point? Yeah. My Red Trello. I think the best thing to do is don't go too far. Like, don't go backtesting for like fucking 16 years, right? Do it for the first month and just go back every single session. So like what you do is, if I was doing this, this is what I do. Can I do no? Time zones. So time zones. Custom time zones. Okay. So how long does this last? Fucking hell, how many? Get all these sessions off, bro. But anyway, I can't be asked to move this now. But anyway, I'd make this and I'll do it so that my time zones are the ones that I can trade on and the ones that has volume. So you can see, actually, this is quite good. So this is from 5 o'clock to 4 o'clock. That's the whole session. Fuck that shit. Let's try and get this off. And Anyway, I can't. But anyway, what you do is you do this properly. Let's just get rid of this. And you find the time zones that you can trade in, okay? And then you just go back and you probably do it on the 30-minute time frame every single morning. So you just go all the way back. So for example, I'll start, I'll just do a random day. Let's keep on going. I'll just do a random day. I can get rid of all this now. I don't really need it. I'll just start like somewhere interesting. 1 second. Oh, this is some rangy days, bruh. Oh my god. So we'll start like here, okay? So I'll go right in the morning, and I'll write this down. So this will be on like a, it'll be on what's it called, a spreadsheet or something. So I'll be like, right. So my session starts 7:30, right? 7:30 here, okay? First of all, what am I looking for in the trades? Well, unfortunately, obviously you can't look at the higher time frames here, but you can kind of do your zones. So you can see that the zones here, there was a support down here, quite a big support holding. Not too bothered about this because this is Asian session, but this is the bigger support, okay? We also, so 7:30 is here. This is what time I'd come on. We also had a resistance here, and this is, and also you need to remember, don't look right, because this, if you were at this time, there would nothing be at right. There wouldn't be anything there at right. There, okay? That's fine. Now the one things that you need to know is, you know, you can buy the things you can actually go back and they're not there, but yes, just don't look to the right if you're doing this like this. And what you do is, you know, you go right. It's 7:30. You know, candles are pretty bullish, but did we close above this region here? No, we didn't. So there's no buys here. Okay, that's fine. That's the first thing to do. Then 8 o'clock opens. We pushed above. That's great. If we drop down to the 50-minute, which I can't now because we're miles away, but did it exceed very, very quickly? Did it push very, very quickly? And if so, you know that you need to be careful on it. And this is why today I didn't enter that trade straight away, because I know most times, and this is one example, if it pushes off straight away and doesn't really make a bottom wick, it's like you're going to make the bottom wick. So, you know, you need to write down in your journal, you know, am I going to wait for the bottom wick or am I going to wait until it exceeds? It depends on the situation, but most times you wait for the bottom wick. And obviously, this candle then pushes down and closes back in the range. So if this closes back in the range, there's no trade. And from then on, this is all rangy stuff. This candle here, broken above, and you'd be like, oh shit, 1 o'clock, this is going to be looking good. You know, candles breaking above. Again, this I wouldn't be in any trades because this candle exceeded the high. Then it drove back down, and it exceeded the high obviously very early on in the candle, and then closed back in the range. But it never made its bottom wick here. So this is what I would want for this trade to be in it, okay? I'd want this candle to, even if it comes up at the start, I don't give a shit, right? It's too early on in the candle. I wait further. I wait for the candle to come down, make its bottom wick, and this should take 10, 15, 20 minutes. And then when the candle starts coming up, because I know, you know, it's got maybe 10 minutes left, and then starts exceeding the high, this is going to be where I'm going. But I take out the variable of getting faked out like that. So, you know, you need to start like learning like more in depth of this. Don't just go, oh yeah, I'd buy here, I'd sell here. And that's kind of what you do, and you go, right, you know what, this is really, really good sell zone here. I mean, this is later on in the candles, but yeah, it takes a long time. But yeah, I'd start on Trello and just journal them. Just journal them like exactly the same as my Trello is. My Trello, I'll show you in a second. But like I would literally do the same trades again and again, and if some of them didn't work, then I wouldn't do them again. So I'll do an example. 1 second. So guys, if you don't know about Trello, Trello is it's just a random thing. I think you can use it for lots of different things, but it's quite good for trading journals and stuff like that. So I'll show you. So this is mine. I haven't actually updated it in so long because I was doing uni stuff. 179. But anyway, so let's have a look. I'm trying to do an example here. One that went wrong. Because, you know, your winner ones are good, so you can see which ones we're good at, but also you lose ones. So let's have a look here. So, God, this is weird, this seeing this chart. Clear range before pre-London, waiting for a break with the volume of pre-London. A strong bearish candle has closed, and I'm expecting this level to be broken with volume. I took an impulse sell when the low of the previous candle got broken with stop loss above the current candle. Unfortunately, within 1 minute, the candle wicked me out how strong this support is. So this is a really, really bad trade. I would never do this now. But this is probably because I've done this. I've literally got living proof I did this and it didn't fucking work. So you can see, you know, price didn't close below. If you look here, price didn't close below this range here. If this closed like here, and then made its top wick here, and then traveled down, that would have been the trade. But it was in a range, bro. So like, but obviously now, you know, you learn from this stuff, and you're like, right, I'm not gonna enter on that again. And like, there's one here. 1 second, I'll find like a 15-minute one. Let's try and find it. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, so look again. This is all right. There's buy candle. There's lots of bullish candles coming. Two very bullish 15-minute candles. So feeling a strong buy, even though it's in a range. It's not the best here, but you know, I was young. When was this? Fucking January. Not too bad. I entered the buy when we exceeded the high of the previous candle, stop loss under the previous wick. Okay, so here, so it's quite a big wick, quite a big stop loss. And I obviously clearly entered, this is what I've just saying before, I entered the buy very early on in the candle. And my position got instantly into drawdown, okay? So I know, literally from this one, I probably even said it in the notes, I shouldn't get in straight away. I need to wait later on in the candle. Because what I'm basically saying here is, I'm basically expecting this price from this candle to push for the full 15 minutes. Okay, is that likely going to happen? No, it's probably going to likely make a lower wick. And now, you know, if I was looking at this trade, which I probably would have been, to be honest, I probably still would have looked to go, yeah, it's coming back in the zone, we're probably going to fill the zone up. But I would have waited for this. Yeah, I would have made a top wick here, but I would have done exactly what I said before. I would have waited for this bottom wick to be made, and then when it starts to flip, I would have been in it. But this never flipped, so I'd never be in this trade. So it's taken out a variable, which I used to do a lot, and takes like half my trades out, which were losses. So you know, waiting for the lower wick, even though today you could see I didn't get the trade because I wanted the lower wick to be bigger. In the long run, trust me, waiting for lower wicks, waiting for this stuff to happen, it'll save you a fucking arm and a leg basically. But you have to be, you know, disciplined with that. You know, people today will be like, oh Max, you should have got in there. I'm like, bro, I wanted this lower wick to be formed, and it never happened because I know from backtesting, looking at my own shit from here, that it's not a good idea. I've literally got data. I've got data showing that it doesn't work sometimes, most of the time. So why would I do it this time? You know, if I do this 100 times and it only works 40 times, I'm not doing it because you're gonna lose money. Okay, it's exactly the same as a roulette. Okay, a roulette table. You know, I've actually got a probability thing that people could watch, but a roulette table is obviously you can do red and black, but the only reason why they've got the 0, which is green, in there is because if you just play red and black and there's no 0 there, it'd be 50% each time, and you just be playing, you wouldn't actually be winning anything. Because in the long run, you know, if you do that a million times, you're going to be pretty much 50% win rate. Okay, they put the 0 in, so it makes you have 51% losing rate and 49% winning rate. So if you do that 1,000 times, you're going to be losing money. That's how the roulette tables always win. But it's exactly the same as trading. You know, if the probability is not higher or greater than, you know, 50-60%, what's the fucking point in doing it? Even though it feels good to catch a really good move, in longevity, you know, it's going to be annoying because you can be like, oh well, this worked before but now it's not working. I'm like, well yeah, because you need to take those variables out. And that's why waiting for bottom wicks and top wicks is the best thing I've ever done. Trust me. No impulses and bottom wicks, top wicks. It just takes out that variable of getting faked out. 100%. So hope that cleared it up. Hope that cleared up. But yeah, Forex Trello. I mean, it takes you literally what you do is you do this: add card, enter title. So if I could do this today. Gold. That's so much maths. Yeah, bro, it's maths. I do maths at uni, Sam. I did maths at uni. I've finished now. So like, yeah, gold buy, break even, and then what I'd do is I'd just do that, then do this, and then I'd add a cover or an attachment. I'd change the where would you change the label so I know it's yellow because it's break even, and then you just do the details here, and then save it, and then you just, yeah, it's just easy, and yeah, people can follow you and stuff. It's quite good. So yeah, it is a lot of maths, but you know, you need to know the maths because you won't get it if you can't get your head around the maths. You won't get it. It just doesn't make sense. But it's repeated sampling. It's if you do this 1,000 times, is it gonna work? You know, more than 500 times basically. That's all it is. So this is why, you know, you see me very picky with my trades, very picky. I think this week I've done in London barely any. I've missed two big ones because of some fucking reason. I was at the well, I got the one at the toilet, to be fair. But you know, the reason why I don't do so many trades is because I want the win rate to be high. What's the point in me doing 10 trades, which is 60% win rate, when I can do 3 or 4, which is 80-90% win rate? That's what I'm saying. That's what it's got to be. Because if you do it on a calculator, you know, you'll be far better off doing an 80% win rate with a lot lesser than 60%. Trust me. So that's why you wait for the same setup, and you want to see these exact candles. And that's why I preach so many times. You know, if this candle just runs, I'm gonna miss the trade. Whoop-de-doo. But that's fine because I know, you know, more than 50% chance this is gonna push and then come back down, and I don't want to be in that. Then that's fine. So that's kind of why, because I know a lot of people in the stream are like, Max, why didn't you enter then? Why didn't you, you know, just do it? Because obviously it worked well. Because I know over longevity I need to stick to my plan. So if you stick to your plan, you'll do far. But if you let other stuff and noise get there, you won't be doing as well, to be honest. Wow, 26 likes, bro. Jeez, I'm happy with that. 26 likes, fucking hell. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. But yeah, so you can see now, if people don't know this is called a barcode, because it is ranging. And if you look at the 4 hour, as I said, here it's going to be struggling because there's big zones here. Oh shit. And you can see literally every step of the way, resistance, 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 and then you do this. This is literally what you do, right? This is what people do trading, right? How the fuck do I draw? So resistance, 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 but we don't know that this is resistance yet. But if you just do this, this is basically what kind of like backtesting and looking to the left is, right? This is all it is. This is literally all it is. So we look left, we go resistance, 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 resistance question mark, because you don't know. But if you look left, how many times could it happen now? Is there more than 50% chance it's going to happen? Well, if you're looking left, probably likely it's going to be a resistance. And this is all you're kind of doing. So when people go, oh, the 4 hours got big resistance zones we're coming to, if you don't get what that means, we're basically saying, you know, we're coming up to a certain zone here. It could, we don't know, but it could reject it. So if you're in a position, take your profits, leave a runner, that kind of stuff. Nice streams, bro. Keep it up. Thank you, my boy. Thank you very much. Trello a free platform. Yeah. Trello is a free platform. Yes, sir. So another thing is, you know, we're waiting for these candles to close. This 4 hour candle in 55 minutes is going to close, okay? It's going to close. And after that, if this closes, so can you see all these candles here? Let's just clear this. All these candles here are wicks. Can you see wicks? If this candle closes like this, strong like this, the next one is going to make a lower wick and then it's going to push. Because all time frames do the same thing, okay? If this was a 30-minute time frame, I would have been in there. Yeah? So, you know, make sure you kind of get that around your head. The 4 hour, the hourly, the daily, they all kind of do the same thing. If this was a 30-minute chart, so if you didn't see this as a 30-minute chart, I would have gone, right, it's close above here, wait for the bottom wick and fly. And that's exactly what the 4 hour did. But yeah, so it's just like stuff like that you need to get your head around. But if I'm saying stuff which you like, I don't really get, like why are you saying resistance here? Why are you saying it? You just ask me and I'll explain it. I'll explain it. So daily as well. So daily, you can see here, yesterday closed above resistance, which was here. I wait for the bottom wick, and then when we start flipping again, buys. If this was a 30-minute trade, I would have been in it. And you can see we've corrected this move now. But this zone here can be quite hard, we have to see. And yeah, that's all it is. Easy stuff. So Let's have a look at gold now. Oof. So now you can see now, close back in the range. So there is no buys. There's no buys, no buys. 200, nice. 153.200, good stuff. Yeah, so you can see wicks are starting to form here. They're just chilling, but nothing's really happening with the barcodes. Actually, let's have a look at this news then. Let's have a look at this news. Did it come out? Oh, don't refresh it. Oh, it's not 9:30 yet. Fuck. But yeah, nothing much is going on now, guys. But I hope you learned quite a lot on the streams. And tomorrow we'll be back again. So what time is it? Yeah, so I'm gonna head off here now, guys. But I hope you enjoyed the stream. We've got 29 likes. Can we get 30? One person liked the stream, but I need them 30 likes. That'll be sick. 30, please. To be fair, I could just like it myself. 30 likes, boys. Come on. Someone give me the one more like. Please. Oh. But yeah, guys. Really, there we go. 30 likes. Jeez. Thank you very much. But yeah. So we talked about gold. We talked about gold buys. There was a break-even trade. We talked about gold GBP buys. They ran very, very nicely. 25 pips. Beautiful. So I hope you guys learned quite a lot on the stream, and tomorrow we'll be back, same thing again, 7:30, and I hope to see you there, guys. So I'll end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. See you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Good start.